Homemade looking ass boy. Damn, I look good. Hey, what's up, too? It's your boy Willie T with an E and a 3. We back another video today, man. Today is Road to 200 wheel horsepower, episode 2. We getting the exhaust done, and I gotta go put it in the car. I don't know how I'm gonna put this full exhaust, but this catback exhaust in this little ass car. We gonna figure it out. We gonna get to it. So as y'all can see, y'all, we got. I'm gonna take out this box, man. Man, this is the Muffy. The Muffy. You know what I'm saying? It's homemade looking ass boy. We gonna put the Muffy in the front seat, but yeah, we got the resonator and shit in there, the pipes. It's clean too, man, clean. So I got the Muffy. That's how we coming, man, with the hardware and shit. Yeah, we finna slide to the shop, man, get this shit installed. All right, y'all, so we finna take it to the trash, man. I can't leave the big box outside, that's crazy. Man, that Spec D exhaust is cool, but it's too raspy. I think it has an exhaust lead, and it's just too loud, man. Is the dumpster even in this bitch? Beef, bro, the dumpster not even in here, dog. Oh, dumpster is in here. Man, I swear, you black folks can't have shit, man. Oh, shit, about to take off on me now. Hold up. Southtown Auto Repair, man. Shouts out him, man. He, looking after hours for me, man. This car sounds good. It sounds a little, but nah, it ain't gonna sound 10 times better, bro. It's the real exhaust. But yeah, we finna get the exhaust installed. This is my first time. This will be my first time having an actual like full catback exhaust. Boy, we finna get us right though. For real.
Did you add anything to the Mustang?
All I did was I did quarter intake and tune.
You got a tune?
Yeah. As y'all can see, we got the old exhaust. This is got the new.
These two.
So we got it installed. We're gonna see how it sounds, man. Sheesh. Look at it. It's not cold, but that sounds perfect. Oh, it's perfect. Anybody want this exhaust, y'all can have it. I don't want it no more. But perfect. That's perfect amount of sound, bro. Perfect. Oh, that's perfect. That is perfect. Oh, cause it's not, and it's just good, bro. That's perfect, man. Look at the way it looks, bro. Single exhaust. Really JDM inspired, you know? Yes. That sounds amazing, y'all. Oh, that sounds amazing. Shout out Kevin. You know what I'm saying? I need to work down. Come with him, please. I got it done in like less than an hour, literally. Alright, y'all. So we just got the exhaust done, man. It sounds good. Hold on. Like, bro, it just sound tame. It sound good, bro. It's quiet, like, it just sounds fantastic, y'all. Like, look at some down shit. Hold on. I got this dirty ass exhaust rolling in my shit. Bro, I gotta put this in my car, bro. I gotta put this in my truck. All right, let me. Ah! I rolled the 200 wheel horsepower. Oh shit, this outside. Take me out, y'all. It just sound good. Oh, it sounds good, y'all. And my boy, it sounds good. That shit sound good, y'all. That shit sound good. Y'all, that shit sound good, bro. And now, oh, but man, I'm not out here terrorizing the streets no more. Damn, I look good. I'm not out here terrorizing, bro. I used to be, I used to be in this bit. Man, shouts out to Kevin, man. Right now he doing appointments only, man. Y'all need anything done. Y'all on the south side of Atlanta, y'all need anything done, man. Shout out, hit up my boy Kev, man. He got the cleanest IS300 in Atlanta, bro. We dropping this video tomorrow for y'all boys, man. And we got this bit for real. Oh, that bitch sound good as fuck. That bitch sound good as hell. But this the old, if anybody want this spec D exhaust for 150, y'all might even get that bit for $100. This might be the end of the video, man. Roll the 200 wheel horsepower, episode 2. Let's check it out, man. This single exit. Y'all ain't, I'm trying to go real JDM on y'all folks, man.